Do you want to boost GLP-1 naturally, but you aren't sure how? Then tune in because you need to try this delicious recipe that is packed full of natural GLP-1 boosters, and it couldn't be easier to make. Hey everybody, Erin here with Healthy Mom, Happy Family. And as a registered dietitian, I get asked every single day if there is a way to naturally increase GLP-1. And the good news is that the answer is actually yes, and it doesn't have to be hard. If you are looking for an easy way to naturally boost GLP-1, then you're in luck because today I am showing you exactly how to do it with this incredibly easy dessert recipe. I've partnered with Registered Dietitian to create it, and I'm going to show you why it works. So first, let's talk about what GLP-1 is and why it matters. So GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, is a hormone that's produced naturally in the gut, and it plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels and appetite. Now, this hormone is released from the intestines after eating food, especially foods containing carbohydrates and sugars. GLP-1 stimulates the pancreas to release insulin, which helps to lower blood sugar levels by allowing your cells to take up the glucose from the bloodstream. And it also helps to slow down the emptying of the stomach, which prolongs those feelings of fullness and reduces appetite. Now, by increasing insulin secretion and reducing appetite, GLP-1 helps regulating blood sugar levels along with promoting weight loss. Now, GLP-1 stimulates the pancreas to release insulin, which helps to lower blood sugar levels by allowing your cells to take up and use the glucose from the bloodstream. It also slows down the emptying of the stomach, which prolongs those feelings of fullness and reduces appetite. So by increasing insulin secretion and reducing appetite, GLP-1 helps to regulate blood sugar levels and promotes weight loss. So how does GLP-1 promote weight loss? Well, it impacts body weight in a few key ways. So first, it reduces appetite and reduces food intake by acting on receptors in the brain to really help you to feel more full and improve satiety. The second way it helps is by slowing gastric emptying, which prolongs the feeling of fullness after meals. And the third way is it really helps to decrease preferences for high-calorie foods, which leads to a lower calorie intake overall. So I know what you're wondering. How can GLP-1 be increased naturally? Now, there are a lot of GLP-1 medications out there like Ozempic that are trending right now, but you can increase your body's own production of GLP-1 in a few really simple ways. One of the best ways is to include lean protein at each meal. So protein-rich foods like poultry, fish, Greek yogurt, tofu, legumes, and beans, these trigger the release of GLP-1 and other satiety-promoting hormones like peptide YY. Another way is to not avoid fat in the diet, but to make sure you are choosing the right types of fats. So unsaturated fats like monounsaturated fat and polyunsaturated fats from foods like avocados and nuts and seeds and olive oil, they have been shown to positively influence GLP-1 secretion. And also it's important to watch how you eat, because when you practice mindful eating, eating slowly and savoring each bite and really reducing distractions when you're eating, this can also to enhance GLP-1 release, and that's going to help with better appetite regulation. And one of my favorite ways is to add Prebeet Energy Plus to your daily routine. Prebeet Energy Plus is a unique prebiotic supplement that aims to improve digestion and provide natural energy and naturally boost GLP-1 production by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. And it's done through its proprietary blend of resistant starch, beet powder, and vitamin B12. Now, this powdered formula is so easy to use. You can add it into everything from water to smoothies to yogurt, or even into my nice cream recipe, which I'm going to share with you in just a minute. And what I love about Prebeet Energy Plus is that it is vegan, it's free of gluten and sugar, caffeine, dairy, soy, and artificial ingredients, so it works for pretty much most meal plans. Okay, so now let's talk about my GLP-1 boosting recipe, high protein berry nice cream. So now that you better understand what GLP-1 is and why it matters and what it can do for you and your health goals, I want to share with you my super simple recipe that will help you to naturally boost GLP-1. This GLP-1 boosting nice cream recipe couldn't be easier to make. You just need 3 simple ingredients: sliced and frozen strawberries, unsweetened Greek yogurt, and then of course my favorite ingredient, Prebeet Energy Plus. The frozen berries add antioxidants and flavor along with dietary fiber to naturally increase GLP-1 production. The Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein which can trigger the release of GLP-1 and other satiety hormones to help you stay full and satisfied. And Prebeet Energy Plus, which in addition to the powerful antioxidant benefits of beets, also contains resistant starch, which has been found to increase circulating GLP-1 levels. Now, resistant starch is fermented by gut bacteria, and this produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. These fatty acids then stimulate the secretion of GLP-1. By combining the protein, resistant starch, and fiber in this recipe, you can naturally boost GLP-1. All right, so now let's make this recipe. Now, it is so easy. All you have to do is take 1.5 cups of frozen berries. I like to use strawberries for this. We're gonna put them into the food processor here or a high-powered blender like I have right here. Then we're gonna take unsweetened Greek yogurt and we're just gonna scoop that in. This is 1/2 cup of the Greek yogurt right there. And then of course, we're gonna put in a scoop of Prebeet Energy Plus. You can have 1 scoop right here. Just gonna put it in. So that's really how simple it is. Now we just have to put the top on our blender and blend it until it is smooth. Okay, so we have it all blended up, and depending on how frozen your ingredients were when you created it, you can enjoy this as a frozen treat right out of the blender. But what I like to do is I like to take a metal loaf pan, I line it with wax paper, and then I pour the mixture into it. And once I do this, I'm gonna put it into the freezer for about 6 hours. I'll cover it with plastic wrap, I'll freeze it, and then when I'm ready to enjoy it, like an ice cream or like ice cream, I will simply take it out of the freezer and let it thaw for about 15 minutes so it gets a bit soft. Then you just take your ice cream scooper, scoop it up, and you have a delicious frozen treat ready to enjoy. So the bottom line is boosting your GLP-1 levels naturally doesn't have to be complicated or bland. My high protein berry and ice cream recipe is a simple way to increase GLP-1 production and makes for an easy and nutritious frozen treat that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but it also helps to support healthy blood sugar regulation, appetite control, and your weight management goals. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to try Prebeet Energy Plus, head over to your local GNC store and you can pick it up there, or you can use the link below in the description and use code Erin15 to save 15% off your order. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.